Long ago, when the island of Java was wrapped in clouds and dreams, the forest was so wide that even the wind lost its way among the trees. In that ancient green world lived a creature unlike any other, Roro Badak, the Javan rhinoceros, guardian of the wild heart of the island. Her skin was thick as river stone and folded like old bark. Her horn, a single curved moon above her nose, was small, but her spirit carried the weight of ages. The earth seemed to breathe beneath her feet. When she walked, thunder followed softly behind her, and the rivers shimmered as if greeting an old friend. Each dawn, the forest awoke with her. Parrots called from the treetops, and sunlight spilled through the leaves like liquid gold. Roro Badak bathed in cool streams that smelled of rain. Fish darted around her legs, and butterflies drifted across her back. She was the forest's keeper, quiet, patient, eternal. The people of Java knew her story. They told their children, where Roro Badak walks, the forest grows strong. And so the island flourished, trees thick as pillars, ferns tall as towers, vines hanging like emerald waterfalls. The air was rich with the hum of life. But peace could not last. One morning, a strange echo entered the forest, metal striking wood. Trees groaned and fell. Smoke covered the sky. The forest shrank, and with it, Roro Badak's world grew smaller. She wandered farther to find food, her old paths buried beneath ash and mud. Then came the hunters. They carried fire and greed, whispering of her horn. To them, she was not a guardian but a prize. Roro Badak ran. Through reeds and rivers, through thorns that tore at her sides, she fled into the hidden places of the island. Behind her, the songs of birds grew silent. At last, she reached a secret swamp, a place untouched by men. Great banyans rose from the water, and silver herons stood among the reeds. There she found others, few, so few, her kin, the last of her kind. Together they lived quietly, protectors of what little remained. Now, only a handful of Javan rhinoceroses walk the earth. Their future hangs by a breath, bound to the fate of the forests that shelter them. But the story is not over. Rangers stand watch beneath the canopy. Scientists study the swamps, listening for her footsteps. And far away, children hear the old tales and whisper her name, Roro Badak, the spirit of the forest. If we remember her, if we protect her home, the forest may remember how to dream. Somewhere in Java's green heart, Roro Badak still walks beneath the moonlight. She moves through the reeds, her horn glinting silver in the dark. She pauses, listening, to the frogs, to the wind, to the promise of a world that still believes. And she hopes that we will keep her story alive.